Hi there, I'm Alec,
I'm Victor. I'm Martin.
and today we're going to present you the present continuous.
The present continuous. What do you understand when I say the present continuous? The present continuous is the action that a person is doing. For example, I am talking to you. Now, in this picture we see two people. What are they doing? They are dancing in this moment. In this picture we see a man that is doing a sport. What is he doing? He's swimming. In the next picture, the picture of my sister, what is she doing? She is eating. And next, how we make a sentence in present continuous? We use a subject like a pronoun, like he, she, it, they, or a name, like Alexander, Madeleine, Leslie, plus a verb with ing form, like running, drinking, eating, I don't know, any kind of verb, plus a complement. That is kind of optional if you want. Here we have some examples of verb, like for example, running, plus ing is running, or drinking, watching, walking, talking, or teaching as I am doing.
Well, now we are going to talk about the uses of the present continuous. Well, the present continuous can be used to describe actions that are happening right now. For example, what are you doing? Another person said, we are watching a horror film. It means that this person is watching a horror film right in this moment. Well, the second one, actions that are happening at present but not necessarily at this moment. For example, I am studying English at IPNA this year. It means that I study English at IPNA this year, but not in this moment. Not right now. Not right now I'm doing another action, not studying English. Well, future arrangement. For example, Sarah and I are having a birthday party together next weekend. We use the present continuous here to present something that we are sure we are going to do in the future. Why? Because, like in this example, Sarah and I, we are very sure, we have already planned to go to the birthday party together. Well, the last one, habitual actions with a negative sense. For example, my little brother is always crying. It means that every day, or most of the times, he's crying. That's why we use present continuous, because it's an action that happens every day, most of the times, and have a negative sense. Well, to make it clear, we are going to present some exercises in order to clarify if you have some doubts or not. Actions happening now. Well, what we can see here, it's a picture of a man named Martin. Well, what is he doing? He's maybe cleaning something, he's doing something, we don't know. But we have to make a sentence to discover what is he doing. And we have to use these words. Okay? Well, we have here Martin, clean, and the house. How can we mix these words to create a sentence? Well, the answer would be Martin is cleaning the house using the present continuous. The exercise number 2, well, we have a man here named Pedro, but what is he doing exactly? Well, we have to discover it making a sentences with these words. Well, the words are Pedro, cook, and the dinner. Well, the answer to this question or to this exercise would be Pedro is cooking the dinner. Why? Because he's doing it right now.
Now we have actions that are happening at the present but not necessarily at this moment. It means that we are not doing in this moment. To make it clear, we have two examples. Right there, what else? We can see a man like doing something or screaming, but we have to make a sentence with the words right there. Cristiano Ronaldo plays soccer, Real Madrid, and this year. But by using the ing form. So in this case, the verb is play. The answer for this is Cristiano Ronaldo is playing soccer in Real Madrid team this year. Next, as we can see, we see a man here, like with something of basketball, right? So his name is Shaquille O'Neal. We have to form a sentence with the word right there. Shaquille O'Neal played basketball Cleveland Cavaliers this season, right? In this case, the verb is play. So we have to add the ing. And the answer is Shaquille O'Neal is playing basketball in Cleveland Cavaliers team this season. Then the other type is future arrangement. Okay, to make it clear, we have an example of this. Like this, we can see here a friend whose name is Martin. Some plane that means that maybe he's traveling to some country. And the word right there are Martin, travel, tomorrow, and Mariana. So we have to put the words together in a sentence. And the verb in this case is traveling. Martin is traveling to Miami tomorrow. It means that that Martin is not traveling today. It's like to put the action in the future. And in this case, Martin is traveling tomorrow. It means that tomorrow he's going to travel. The other example is here in the picture we see a lady, a beautiful lady, and a plane. And the word right there, she arrived Peru on Monday. And in this case, when we mix the words, the answer for this is she is arriving to Peru on Monday. That means that she is going to arrive to Peru on Monday. Maybe we are Friday, maybe we are Saturday. So in the future, in a couple of days or 3 days, he's going to arrive. That's why we use arriving. The last one is habitual actions with a negative sense. Okay. Habitual action with a negative sense means that maybe some action that a person do like very frequently, but it's like a bad thing, right? Like we have like 2 examples for make it clear to have this idea. Okay, you have a girl right there. Maybe she's screaming. Maybe she's upset. We don't know. And we have the words right there. My girlfriend complained about my behavior. Okay, so the answer for this is my girlfriend is always complaining about my behavior. So maybe she's upset about something that I do. Maybe I go out with a other girl and she's upset about my behavior. As we can see, that means that she's doing a bad action. That's why we use the verb complaining, like to represent an action, a bad action that she frequently does. Then the next example, in this case we see like an old lady maybe. In the top we see my mom tell clean my room. So we can realize that she is like very angry and it's not a really good behavior for a lady. So when we mix the words, we form this sentence. My mom is always telling me to clean my room, like yelling to me or saying to me bad words maybe. But it's a frequent action. The frequent action. Then thank you for everything. See you tomorrow.
Yeah.